Hi, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're unboxing the Turtle Beach VR headset charger. Okay, so this is video number 2 in the Huson DIY Meta Quest VR headset series we're doing. In the video number 1, which I'll put a link up here somewhere, we unboxed and did the very basic setup of the headset. So we've been using it for a bit now, which we're going to do some more videos on our usage of it. But as I mentioned in the previous video, the next video was going to be the unboxing of this, which is the Turtle Beach Fuel VR charger. So it's a docker for the charger and the handles and the handsets to charge those. Drop them in, so you don't have to plug things in. So what we're going to do in this video is a quick unboxing, just to show you what you get in here. Plug it in, and we'll drop the headset in, make sure everything charges, and see how easy it is to use. Okay, just before we get started, I just want to show you the one we've got. So I've got it off very.co.uk. It's £69.99. You can see a few different pictures of it here, with the headset docked and the handles docked and without there. So there's a little attachment by the looks of it that plugs into the headset, into the USB plug. And when you drop it in, it then magnetically connects and charges. And then the handsets, the handles, come with a battery pack that needs putting in. So yeah, that's where we got it from. It's a Turtle Beach brand called the Fuel VR charger, specifically for the Meta Quest 2. So just a quick look at it there, just to show you what we've got. Okay, so here there's the box. A little bit of plastic on there. So we'll just get a little bit of a blade just to cut through that plastic. Sorry, the stickers. So just one there. And on the other side. So let's have a look at how this is packaged, see what we get in the box. Okay. So I'll just take out of there. So the middle bit there is an extra box, sorry. Bit more tape on there, so let me just get through that. Like so. So just like the accessories, etc. in here. So we've got the actual cable, obviously, that they need to be plugged in at all times. We've got the 2 rechargeable batteries that go inside the handsets. Nothing else in that box. And here, obviously, the replacement covers for those handsets. So they will replace. You can see they've got the small silver charging points there that will obviously connect and charge them wirelessly. So that's them. And then in the main package here, we have the dock itself. Fairly not that heavy, quite sturdy plastic. Some rubberized feet on the bottom. Rubberized foot. There's a circular foot there, so it doesn't slip, which is pretty cool. Inside here, it's the same kind of rigid plastic. It's like about a rubberized feel to it. Pretty solid though. Looks good. And then in here, the only other thing you've got in here is the magnetic charger that obviously. That part there that plugs into the headset itself. And when you lower the headset in, it sticks to that magnet there. So you can see that moving around in there. So there is a little bit of movement in that, just to obviously allow the headset to be pushed in and just to be moved around a little bit as you put it in. You can then see inside there, hopefully, yeah, you can see the gold pins there that will then connect with the silver charging points on the handles. And the only other thing is you've got the USB-C port on that side of it there, which is on the back to plug into power. And on the front, we've got looks like 3 lights that will show the charging connectivity. So making sure each piece of hardware is connected. Okay, so that's it unboxed now, looking good. The quality seems pretty good, everything's pretty sturdy, nicely packaged. everything in there that you need. So next step, I'm going to grab the headset, grab the handles, and we'll get things connected up and see how easy it is to use and charge your devices with. Okay, so here we are. We've got the headset and we've got the handsets now. So what we'll do first of all, we'll get things, the accessories loaded up, and then we'll plug it into charge. So the handsets, the handle, the controllers have got a little bit that you slide out there, and that's obviously got the standard batteries that come with it. So with these ones that come with it, they've got two little silver plates on them that have got to touch the charging points on the new cover. So I'm going to put that in now, with those charging points facing out like that. So we've got that one on there. So I'm going to take the charging cover that came with it for the kit for the handle, for the controller, and slide that on. That's clipped on fine. Doesn't feel any different whatsoever. So that's one of them done. So I'll get the other one, and then we will slide off the cover for this side. Just a little point there that you can push that off with. It says. Like that. I'll get the battery out of this one too. So note this battery that came with it out. Keep them though, because they look quite good batteries. Again, the battery that came with it, I'm going to pop in with those pointing up as well. So the controls come on, I can see that there. I'm going to get the cover, the battery cover, the controller cover, slide that on there, like so. So that's the handles done. Handles with the new covers on, don't feel any different whatsoever. Obviously, no different in terms of weight really. Keep them safe, obviously, if we ever need to replace or get rid of the charger. Okay, next up we've got the actual headset. I think this will be a little bit simpler. So on the headset, obviously you've got the USB-C charging point there. And then on this dock, you get this magnetized USB part for it. So take the USB-C element off there, get the headset, plug it into the headset like that, and obviously it'll be a case of dropping down the headset into the docker. So that should line up in the docker. Yes, it does. Okay, so next up what I'll do, I've got the original charger that came, the charging adapter that came with the headset. I want to plug that in under the desk. Use the cable that came with the charging dock, plug that in, and we'll make sure things actually charge and it works. So I'll plug that in now, and then we'll get going. Okay, plugged in now under the desk, got the cable plugged in there. So what we'll do first of all is, just so you can see that, I'll get the headset, drop that in, like so, and that's attached with a magnet. Hopefully you can see that middle light on there. That's obviously charging the headset itself. So put that there, just tuck that elastic in there. Then we'll get the controllers. They've got the string on the bottom as well, so I'm just going to try that now. And then we'll try the other one as well. So I'll just try to make sure they're in the right way. I've not done this yet. Okay, that's it. Get them handles out of the way a little bit. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit fiddly with the handles on the back, but all three of them, you can see those three lights on now. It looks like with the back button pointing towards that way, that fits. You can see it, if you just move it slightly, it does take it off that charging pad and stop charging it. So really easy to set up, to be fair. Fitting fine. The magnet is unobtrusive on the headset, and it comes with all the batteries and rechargeable batteries that you need for the controllers. Okay, all done and dusted now. That's all set there, sitting the dock ready to charge. It says it's fast charging. I think it says it's fully charged in 2.5 hours. So we'll give it some use. We'll put it away somewhere tidy so it's hidden. See how we get on with it, and probably do maybe like a month's review just to let you know how we've got on with it and how long it actually does take to charge those headset and controllers. Okay, so far so good. Product's really good. Really like it. Would recommend it to, from the unboxing and the setup steps. Really simple to do. Obviously, like I said, we'll use it for a few weeks. After a month, we'll probably do a review. But I think it's going to be good for us. We can store it away in a cupboard. We can put things on charge, when we're not using it. So if this video has been good, you've liked it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike. Any questions about the charging dock or the headset itself, drop them in the comments section and we'll get back to any questions or any other general comments about the video. We're always welcoming feedback on the channel. And if you want to watch any more videos on the Huson DIY channel, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.